Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making this little mushroom ring. It is so cute and I'm excited to show you because it's so simple. So I've started by cutting out a piece of this elastic. It's 0.5 millimeters and so it'll fit nicely in the beads, and I cut it about 4.5 inches. Then I'm going to string on 3 of whatever color I want the top of my mushroom to be. So I'm doing red again for this one. I'm going to string that in. Because I don't have anything on the other side stopping it from falling, I'm just holding it with my finger. Okay, so now that I've got that, I'm just going to put one white bead or one bead of the stem color that you want. I like doing white because it's just, makes sense. So now I've got those 4 beads in a row. I'm going to separate the white bead from the red beads. And then I'm going to take this edge of the string on the opposite side of where the white bead is. And I'm going to string it through, and I like to squeeze down the string so there's enough space for the elastic to go through. Okay, so now you can see that this bead is strung through with both sides. Then you're going to take it and pull it tight and make sure it's like somewhat in the middle. And there you have your little baby mushroom. So now we'll be adding this to a ring. So with whatever you want your bottom color to be, also squeeze tight so that the mushroom comes out in a good shape. I've got a little fat mushroom because of my bead is a little bit fatter. Anyways, so now I'm going to choose my color for my side, and that's going to be green for this one. It was brown for my other one. And I'm going to string on beads onto each side, and just kind of an even amount, and just kind of do it until you feel like it'll fit you, and then you can size it around your finger. Okay, so now I've got it long enough for my finger, and I'm going to tie the knot. The lighting is weird in this video, so it's kind of hard to see, but I just basically tie a normal knot, but I don't pull it all the way tight, and then I do another knot with my edges. Oh, that one didn't actually get made. And then I'll pull tight. I have 2 far more detailed videos on that on my channel, a short and a full length video. So I'll link those and you can also check those out. And those should help you be able to tie the elastic without having it coming undone. But I just like to tie a few of those knots. And then I like to do a little dab of super glue. And then we've got our mushroom ring. So if it's twisted, just flatten the sides out with your finger. And then cut off the edges. I like to super glue mine first, so I'm going to do that before I leave. And here is the final product of the mushroom ring. And then I just mess with it a little bit so it stands up how I want it to. And now you have a mushroom ring. And they're super cute. I hope this tutorial helped. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and check out my other videos. Thanks!